I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. Hello everybody, today's video is brought to you by Levrack. Stay tuned for the installation video.
So today's a big day for Dad and Chad. We've got FedEx coming in to deliver something fun, and it's gonna be up to me to get it off. To get it off of this truck. The Levrack is on the ground, and it's time for installation.
So the instructions come in a white envelope, and they gave me a thank you note, so that was cool. Nice little Porsche on there. A couple of koozies for your cold beverage and instructions. And it's pretty cool. So all the parts come basically the same way the parts from Rand's comes. And it's in a bag like this that's closed off with a heat machine, and then a label with the part number and the amount. Oh cool, got a neat sticker. Nice. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So all you guys that are putting airplanes together, you're used to that. And we have some pieces here, assuming that goes to the actual racks. Some more probably the width pieces. Those are the length. And then this big old giant box with some lighting here that I can't reach. I have to get that out. I don't want to tear anything up. So there you go. junk over here and over there, and we can put it all here. Yeah, all this nice stuff. So when you build a bench, an actual workbench, it turns into a stuff bench. So you can take all the stuff and put it in the shelves, and then the workbench becomes a workbench. You still have this, you can still put stuff under it, but I think I'll be able to get all that. I'm excited. Anyway, those are super nice. I like it. So
Now I just need to.
start on the next one.
Yep.
Probably takes what, about 3 hours, 2 people to put it together. Maybe 2 if you read the directions. Well, no, we read the directions. We just, I thought the shelves were taller than what they were, so we had it a foot higher, so we had to lower it a foot. Ta-da! All done, thanks to my wife. So here they are. And I've already started putting stuff in here, getting things off of the workbenches and putting them on shelves. So this is really nice. I'm really excited. This is the stuff that we use the most. So it's right by the airplane. So if we need something, we can go over here, get the part, it goes. Got some of the tools that we use a lot, drill bits, and right by the plane. Actually, we'll have to probably take a lot of that over to the workbench, but keeping the workbench clear is key. So you have a nice work area whenever you're ready to work on a project instead of just clutter, 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 clutter. So these are really neat and very excited to have them. And we would have had them installed quicker, but we installed these too high. I thought we had 96-inch shelves. We have, well, I thought we had 8 foot, but we have 7-foot shelves. Actually, they're like 6'6", but the instructions say for a 6'6". Yeah, I think it's like 6'6". Yeah, the instructions say for the taller shelf, you go 96 inches. That's what I thought we had. So we put these up higher, and these shelves were levitating a foot off the ground. So we took it all. Well, we only got what? We hung like 2 of these. Just like, we didn't hang like everything, the shelves and all that. We hung like a back and a back and one side. And we were like, that's not right. There's something that goes down here? And there wasn't. So we took it back apart and we lowered these down and got it corrected 84 inches. So now, as you can see, they roll. Excited. I wish I would have bought these when I first bought the airplane. And that would have been really neat to keep everything organized while we were working. But hey, better late than never, and we still have a lot of work to do, so this will really help out. So thanks, Levrack. It started with a hat, with a full unit. My wife started talking about building one of these in her closet for her shoes.
Actually, I'm thinking about confiscating one for pillows.
You want to put your pillows in here?
Yeah.
Why not? I only need 2, so you can have these 2. I want to get our logo made and put it right here.
That'd be pretty awesome.
On this side right here.
Yep.
Yep. Now we just have to put the stuff back, all your stuff back up on the top, and put another shelf between these. Awesome. What do you think? Like if we had to mess up maybe like 3 hours from completely unlit, show everybody all the boxes. Dad had to go somewhere today, so he couldn't help. So Taylor and I, we unboxed everything and built everything. Probably if we hadn't made that mess up, probably like 3 hours. 2 people, not like going super fast. So yeah, not a big deal to install. Probably like 30 minutes to take. We had 2 shelves in here with your stuff on it that we had to take down. So I don't know, I'd say a good 3 hours. That'll give you enough time to get it all built. They're really simple but sturdy. So,
especially once the shelves go in.
yeah, so these sidebars go on first. So once those are latched in, you put the trolley in. So the trolley goes up and in and slides over and then bolts down. 2 bolts from the bottom for 2 nuts. So the trolley lifts up and goes up and then slides over. It's adjustable. For narrower, it's universal. So if you have a narrower pallet system, the uprights, this is like a one size fits all. So this slides out and then the back goes on. 2 bolts and 2 nuts hold the back on. Then the sides go on. Basically 2 bolts and 2 nuts hold the sides on, and then the shelves lock it all together. There's no hardware on the shelves, so it's really simple, like I said, but really sturdy. There was what, a 7/16 and a 3/4 and a half. No, I think these were 9/16. 9/16, 7/16, and 3/4. That's all you need, and a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. So, good job, Levrack. I really like these. Did a very good job. They're very sturdy. They roll easy. Like, oh. They have a lot of neat accessories for these. I was looking in the book. They've got a deal where these handles go together. It has a lock where you can lock these. They have like dividers. They've got, I don't know what it's called, but the hooks hook into it. It's not pegboard, but it's
like pegboard.
It's like pegboard. So you can hang things, and then there's a bar that goes across so you can hang clothes or hangers. And then they have, like I said, dividers.
Drawers.
Oh yeah, like drawers for a tool cabinet or toolbox. So they got a lot of neat things, and I noticed they had one of these, another upright with a workstation. Yeah. So I'm just gonna have to make do with this for right now. These guys did a wonderful job. Everything's powder coated. I mean, there's nothing on here that I saw that I didn't like. So I think Levrack makes an 8-foot and a 12-foot. You can go to their website and check it out. I'll put a link down below. But again, I really like this product. As you can see, it's in my shop. And like I said, it's powder coated, it's sturdy, it's well thought out, and there's not a whole lot of hardware to it. So each shelf has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bolts, and 2 of those hold the handle on. So the trolley system has 2 bolts, so you put the trolley in, push it, spread it out, and tighten the 2 bolts to hold the trolley. And then the shelf has 8, and 2 of those are for the handle. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Thanks, Levrack. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up.
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
Because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad
and Chad.